Hi everyone, welcome to Primitech. Today in this video training, I'm going to show you how you can easily uninstall apps in macOS. I'm going to show you two easy ways that you can follow. Well friends, before we start, we need to close the app that we are going to uninstall. Here you can see the Figma app. The app is opened, so I need to close the app to uninstall it. So what I can do, just right click on the icon on the dock, and here you can see quit. I'm just going to click on quit. Then the app is closed now. So I can uninstall this app. Here you can see Finder. Just click on it and navigate to applications. And here under applications, you will see all the apps you have. I have all the apps. So here is Figma that I'm going to uninstall. Just click on it and drag and drop on the bin. Here you can see the sound. And the app is uninstalled. And right now it is in the bin. Just right click on the bin and click on empty bin. Click empty bin. The app is permanently deleted. And now if I go to the launchpad, and here I don't see the app. Okay, if this method does not work for you, I'm going to show you the second method. So for that case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here on the Apple icon and click on this About This Mac and click on Storage and click on Manage. And in this window, I'm just going to navigate to Applications. And here you will see all the applications you have. I'm just going to uninstall this one, Sublime Text. Just click on it. And here you can see the app is selected. And on the right and bottom corner, here you can see delete. Just select the app and then click delete. I'm going to click delete. And now the app is removed or deleted from the applications. Again, I'm going to click on Launchpad and you won't see Sublime here. So I showed you two easy ways to uninstall apps in macOS. I believe you could follow any of this and successfully uninstall your apps. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again in a new video.